Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Trim and cut 5 pounds of boneless chicken into bite-sized pieces and place in a bowl. Use 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon chili powder to build the base. Add 3 crushed garlic cloves and 1-inch grated ginger, plus 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix thoroughly. Press plastic onto the surface, and marinate for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight, to tenderize and infuse flavor. Preheat a 10-inch skillet over medium-high and add 2 tablespoons oil so the pan is hot but not smoking. Remove chicken from the marinade and shake off excess. Reserve the marinade. Sear each chicken piece 3 minutes per side to develop color, then reduce to medium-low, add reserved marinade, cover, and simmer 12 to 15 minutes until cooked through. Stir occasionally so sauce reduces and coats pieces. Cook until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F, and rest chicken 5 minutes before serving to slice larger pieces and arrange chicken over warm plates or bowls. Serve with 1 cup cooked rice per person or 1/4 of a baguette per 2 people, and sprinkle 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro for freshness. Squeeze 1 tablespoon lemon juice over the chicken for bright acidity and drizzle any reduced pan sauce. Offer yogurt or cucumber on the side to cool heat. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days and reheat to 165 degrees F before eating to ensure safety and optimal texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.